Welcome to Tractor Link. In this demo, I'll walk you through the key features of the Tractor Link platform and show how it helps manage vehicles, operations, finances, and system integrations from a single dashboard. As we log into the platform, we arrive at the main dashboard. This dashboard provides a centralized view of all important information and gives quick access to every module available in the system. On the left side, you can see the navigation menu containing different management sections. Each section is designed to handle a specific business operation efficiently. Let's begin by exploring the dashboard overview. Here users can monitor overall activity, review important metrics, and quickly access frequently used features. Next, we move to the Finance module. This section helps administrators manage financial records, track expenses, review transactions, and maintain better control over business finances. Now we navigate to the Vehicle Management section. Here users can view registered vehicles, update vehicle information, monitor operational details, and maintain complete vehicle records from a single location. As we continue through the platform, notice how every module follows a clean and consistent interface, making navigation simple and user-friendly. Next, we open the AI Assistant feature. This intelligent assistant helps users quickly find information, receive guidance, and interact with the platform more efficiently through conversational support. Moving forward, we access the API Settings section. This module allows administrators to generate and manage API keys securely. These APIs can be used to integrate Tractor Link with external applications and third-party services. Now we open the Android Application Settings area. This section provides configuration options for mobile applications and helps extend platform functionality across Android devices. Next, we move to the Fuel Management module. Here users can monitor fuel-related information, track fuel usage records, and maintain accurate operational data for vehicles and equipment. As we continue navigating through different sections, you can see how Tractor Link combines multiple business functions into one unified platform, reducing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. The platform is designed to provide better visibility, streamlined management, and faster decision-making for fleet owners, operators, and administrators. With centralized management, secure integrations, intelligent assistance, and operational tracking, Tractor Link helps organizations manage their resources more effectively. As you've seen throughout this demonstration, Tractor Link is designed to simplify and digitize every aspect of fleet and tractor management. From dashboard analytics and vehicle management to financial tracking, API integration, AI assistance, mobile support, and fuel monitoring, the platform brings all essential operations together in one secure and user-friendly solution. Thank you for watching this Tractor Link platform demonstration.